Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih ke Sorkar Jelau Lahkmen Rymbui ula ong Donkam ban Pynlut hado shispa san folklore tingka lada ke Sorkar ka hab ban Thied smartphone ye ki Khynnah Pule bat ula ong bakane ke jing kainru ka dai tang ki bapas menta ka sngi ki badan hado lai pusau hajar ngut tam ban alor ka taru ula ong balada sam smartphone ke Sorkar kan hab ban Pynlut tam sa ye ki weipat ban penbiang ye ki network. Menteri Sorkar ula penparu ke jing sngo diau namar baman la kapor ka percentage jong ki bapas ka duna bhana rilom garo bad halor ka ni ula ong banado snem arajar arpo ka Sorkar kala thau ye ka kinja committee bahkan wat benya ye ki dau bad ban penpoi ye ka kaipot sha ka Sorkar
House nem arajar khandai la gambakla ka Sorkar India kala sanction kumba praspa tam ki mobile tower hapo ka state of Meghalaya banshna hanrei ki bun ki jaka kim yo jaka teka kimenta ki damshna ngakermin bah ki nikistin badangwan ka mobile penetration kan nambha shushu badhakaliang ka jinga dei bat ki kadjet naga benta ban yarap ya ki Khynnah school kumbagalang menta ngi nakaliang ka Sorkar hidan ka jingmut hanrei ngimpala ban le namar ba kamut batang ke kadjet habang edon ke kadjet dan kam sedih saya ke data kabang Khynnah haban save ban yok ban pendengkam teki dan bun ki jenat ki bangila ban penbiang ta ya mentahi hakata ka jingdawa bangin penbiang yakine kita bat kumba 50 menta ka longkano live sahajar ingat ki bapas ya ka SSLC lada ka Sorkar kan aye ki kelas 11 kamot lada sanajar kamot sispa san Klur approximately kan Pynlut ke Sorkar nak benta jom kini kamdai ke basuk ban kren kelong ke basuk ban implement kamdai ke basuk. There are two pronged strategy. One is that to increase the quality of teaching. Number two, the quality of education. And number three is to help as much as possible that the student could pass that exam. But it is not the only in the hand of the government. It is in the hand of the student, the parent, the teachers, and the government. So if we work together, if we synchronize our mind together to help our children, I think we will achieve the higher percentage. Pass percentage is only 52.92. But if you see the numbers, last year is about 26,000 students passed, but this year about 34,000 plus students have passed. So the number does not decrease. It is only because that this year because due to this situation, the student could not prepare well. The student could not go to class. But that's why I'm very happy that the student, they work very well. They try to do very well. That's why we have seen that the number of pass, I'm not talking about percentage, is 34,000 plus in SSLC. I already state times and again that online is not a substitute to classroom teaching. But in these circumstances, what is the other way? This is one of the way which the student, again, I congratulate the student who could clear the exam, that in spite of all these challenges, in spite of all these difficulties, they could overcome their determination, their goal to reach the top, that overcome all those challenges. As of now, we didn't have any proposal. Yes, we want to provide, but as I said before, 34,000 students have passed. If we are to provide a smartphone, it will cost the state not less than 150 crore. And that also is not that once you provide the gadget that it is okay. But you have to have the data, and that data also costs. And not only that, we have the problem of the network connectivity. And these are the challenges. It's not related to the state of Meghalaya only. It is the challenge everywhere, all over the country. It is Garo Hills region. It is always performing below par. That's why, if you remember, in 2019, we have formed the Garo Hills region for academic evaluation. When everything has already started, when non-contact sport have been started, when market is open, why not school? Personally, it is my personal opinion, but I cannot say with me. It is up to the collective decision with the health department, collective decision with the other minister, that we need to resume wherever possible classroom teaching. Jaka pulih apa ka state jemi kibiang kim don jingna hanrai la phi ong ba pha ban lek tang ka we ka college la tang ka we ka higher secondary school te kata te bom la lo te kum bang i ba menta ki higher secondary ka don kuleng jaka jong ka state keleng ki district te ka banga ngakentu ya ki Khynnah school balada pidon kamon ada pidon kata ka jing tram rapi Pule ha ka nogro school ro te kam de ka ba ka long hi ka jimen toy ya phi basa ka we ha ka jing long ka jing man ka bukum kan ne te ki Khynnah school lada ki don ha ki snam ha ki chaka ba kham chan snam ju ki ken kham so mangim yo I ngai ngim la ban tip kan ne ka pandemic kan long kum no te lada ki wan hasor baro ka baying kin siu ka jikai yo ki school kin nam la ban pli kin hap shang isa sinong ka bay wai ba kan hap siu man ka por tengah kan tu ya ki Khynnah school ba ka por kala do mar baki nong hikai wat lagi bada hikai nong kan dom bro menta ki dei ki nong hikai ki ba biang hi bat komok omene lada kamon lada kataka jing angnot kadon pipule hang no kalom tanam dam ji hakane ka kaliang ka nganya kren hakane krisat menta kumba philaktip barok menta usnem ni ailat ya barok kumba philaktip ba average nalor kata khat hajar ai kidai repeater the how musnem lada ni ka jinglong ka jingman kalong kum baju long ki school kin la ban pelong ya ki selection ge jong ki kin la ban pelong ya ki assessment jong ki po school ka percentage kan ki 100 na mar ba ka jinglong ge man kum ne barok ki yo banyele te ngatrai ka ne ka percentage hoi ngim hon ni pa ba sispa na ka sispa hanrai na kramen scam school ba ki college kin play share namar ba ka yo ba hat kala play ki we ki jat kala play balai ka ne ka ban te ya ka chabeng ki khun ki jongi kin ngar das ngeu comment ba nakilang ki Khynnah school hado ka last report ka bangiyo kalong ki ba khatrasem shane palat ya ka 100% kila dep ban ai tika manta kila ban 0.2% ngam la ban tip na khun pat sim le report ta kala day ka por ka bangin sedang namar ba kumbang ya kren na ko post ko por online hi kam day ka substitute na ka classroom teaching habi ban return ha ka classroom nang bagin yo ya ka chi hika ko ka tengada ai khumle ya kinapai ba nang song ba kumba 100% e kila dep bat ai ya ketika tengah kentu lemba kan ka ngasim ni kabo ban tentu ya kita bapak de ban ai lada piu kwa ban ai gejing start bapura ya ki kon ngikti skau bha ban pendek ya ka kamram keme kamram kepa dak ba ai ya ketika ngabangin tip ya kan gejing pang kan ne hadokat no tengi kwa ban ai ya ki kon ngikti junggi ka de safe environment kaba at least ka resistance junggi ka jingyada ka bangin yo na ketika kan long ka bakham he khnang ba ngin la ban sedang biang lakam dai 100% ro ya ka normal teaching ka normal classroom ka ba ngide ban yo hasko hangahi kamut haden khasam trik u akas la de ban sedang tamba kam de ka rai ka jonga ngin ha consult bak health department ngin ha consult di district administration ngin ha consult bak ka group of minister shoban shim ya ka rai ada ubabun hi ula dat aitika kamut ngamsngau pelasu wadas dam namar ba pinda kemau hakini arti yo balade ka ka jingkren jong tu doktor Pularia jong ka aims uang kala de ka por ba hakani syal ban sedang ki kelas he lade ban sedang swa nado ka kelas read ro te kadai ka ba ukren hapo ki news u ai de ka jing tho tengi increment scam na dai kme kwa ki ai inject ki ai tika te kat ayu ban sedang ya kisko